Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Hey, today I'm just going to do an intro into, I've just got myself an Au Falcon. And actually, tell a lie, I've just got two Au Falcons. So something to play around with. I've signed up to do a drift school, tried doing a bit of drifting. So automatic sedan, 2000 model. And the ute is a manual super cab. I think it's a 2001 model. It's off the road though. It's got no power steering. The manual's rooted. So attention on the auto for now. And yeah, hope you watch along with me as I mod it up, get it ready for drifting. Okay guys, so some simple things that I've done. I've had the car for a couple of weeks. I've just resprayed the bonnet and I've just buffed it. You'll see that in the future in a few seconds, I suppose. I'll play that. Rattle can the rims white. I've got some Dunga rims coming for the actual event. It's pretty clean. I think the clear coat's been resprayed previously. I think there's just a tiny little speck of rust down in the gutter here and a little bit in the corner, but I'll probably crash it before I ever have to repair it. Inside we've got classy steering wheel cover, sheepskin covers. Interior is not too bad, it's pretty clean, aircon works, 230,000 Ks, back's a bit faded, but yeah, nice and clean, new hood liner, so got a pretty good deal on it. And then the ute, even though it's got some problems, was an even better deal. It was nearly a giveaway. Four-litre intake, everything's bog stock. No leaks that I can see, so you know, good starting point. But yeah, follow along as we do some mods. Cheers. I've had to respray the bonnet because the paint on it was just toasted, man. I've just done it with rattle cans, but for some silly reason I did it with the shed door open and she's just coated in dust. So I'm just going to do wet sand, give it a buff, and see how she turns out. All right. Alright guys, now we'll give it a buff. Okay, so what I've learned on that first pass buffing, I had the speed way too slow on the buffer. So I've done this first half, I was only on like speed 2 on this buffer. And on this half I cranked it up to nearly 4. And oh, the result's much better. So yeah, my first time ever buffing anything, so yeah, let's do a second pass and see how it rings it up. Okay guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.